Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this foldable phone tripod that I just received. So it is made out of metal, so you know that it's strong and secure. These are the legs. You can see that each of them have grips, so it's not sliding or slipping around. This is how you take the legs out. Very simple, you just slide them out. And then this is where the phone's at. You gotta pick this up like that. This is the third leg. There is a little hook if you do want to mount it. There is a hook right here. Put that back. And then this is where the phone goes. You can make it go up like that. We fix the legs like that. Push this back. You can push this back and forwards. And you could rotate where your phone goes 360 degrees, which is very nice. And you could also fit any iPhone or Android. You can pick this up and you could fit your phone. I'm gonna go grab my phone. I'm gonna put it in here and show you how it looks. So this is perfect for vlogging. You could add lights on the side if you're more advanced. It is 360 degrees, as I said. You can rotate your phone in all directions. Something that I really like is the traveling case that it comes with. So since you could fold the tripod, you could fit it in here and just put it in any pocket in your backpack and it'll fit perfectly.